Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm excited to kick off brand new Python playlist where we will be diving into Python from the ground up. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on the basics, this series will guide you through everything you will need to know. We'll start with the essentials, writing your first program in Python from there. We'll explore string and string methods to understand how to manipulate text effectively. Next, we'll move on to numbers and basic math operations, which are the building blocks for any programming task. We'll also dive into functions and loops. Those are true critical concepts that allow you to write reusable and efficient code. We'll then cover conditional logic and control flow, which are key to making decisions in your programs. After that, we'll get hands on with tuples, lists, and dictionaries, the core data structure in Python that helps you organize and manage data. Once we have got a good grasp of these basics, we'll take things up a notch by exploring object oriented programming or OOPS concept. You will learn how to define classes and understand how to structure your code around objects. Code will run around the objects henceforth. A powerful way to think about and solve problems in Python is using OOPS. Post that, we will also discuss modules and packages, how to organize your code and use libraries that others have written to save time and effort. This is also called reusability. Since our ultimate goal is to work on AI and machine learning projects, we will tackle file input and output operations to handle data efficiently. We'll also walk through installing third-party packages like scikit-learn, pandas, and more. Tools that are essentials for data science and AI work. Finally, we'll touch on working with databases, a crucial skill for storing and managing data in larger projects. So, I am thrilled to have you join me on this journey to mastering Python. So, if you are ready to learn and grow, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our first lesson. Thank you and bye.